Hey guys, how's she going today? Well, there's finally a bit of sunshine again. I haven't seen that for a long time. Since we finished combining the canola, this is the first sun we've seen since then. So, quite a few days. But we had a hell of a snowstorm, windstorm come through here. You can see all the snow. It's melting here today. It's nice and, well, not really nice, but a lot nicer than it was. But we had brought this auger in the shop, and I bought a new engine for it, because the old one was pooched. Be kind of nice to have a couple augers again. Our other one's just a PTO driven one, so you gotta piddle around with a tractor to use it. It's kind of a pain. So we have good old Pro Point motor on here, 14 horse, and put new belts, and I put an idler, and it used to only have one belt to drive it, so I got a double pulley, and it's got double belts. And then we wired up a switch and put a light up here for loading trucks at night time. We got an LED light up here now, so that's gonna be nice. But I was saying we had a great big windstorm. I've got my heaters running on the aeration bins here again. Those are both full of wheat. That one's got wheat, but the aeration tube, I don't know what went on, but it's full of wheat. It looks like it, where the tubes slide over, it's squished down or some fucking thing. So we're gonna have to empty that bin out here one of these days. But if you notice, there's a gap here. Ah, nice. So the wind was blowing straight at these bins, and I don't know why. That bin's never fucking moved before through all the storms we've had, but it pushed the wall in and it fucking fell over. I'm gonna stand it up, and I'm pretty sure it'll just spring back into shape, because those balins, they're just like a big marshmallow. There's no stiffeners or fuck all in them. That's what happened to it. We were keeping it empty for a place to put grain while we were turning it. Like everything else in the yard here is pretty well full. So when we turn grain, it's nice to have an empty one that you can put some into and take it out and move it around. So we'll have to go and get the bin crane again one of these days and stand it up. But for now, we plugged the 4440 in so he'd be a little more inclined to start, because it's been so cold out. And it's still got winter oil in it. So I'm gonna bring him up to the shop and do an oil change, because it's time for an oil change on him. And they want us to start baling flax straw here again as soon as all this white crap disappears. So we got to do some work on the baler. And then I want to wash this tractor inside and out, because he's getting pretty gross. So nice. Fuck. Need a straight pipe on everything there, like old straight pipe acres. So anyway, I'm going to get this in the shop and do an oil change, and then we're going to pressure wash it off here this afternoon when it's a little bit warmer out. So that's the plan. So I guess I'll talk to you here in a little bit. not OSHA approved because I didn't have my earplugs in. You're fired, boy. Fuck. This is probably not gonna have anything to do with the video I'm making, but it's kind of a neat thing, so we'll fucking video that for the next one. Your magnetic press drill. Work good?
Yeah.
Fucking right, see? Didn't trust his magnet there, so they put a ratchet strap too. Double down. Hey? It hurts when you bite a porcupine, eh? You got them all out now, the way, the poor old Buster dog. Eh? Eat your treat. Poor guy. Had a couple quills in his lips, so hopefully he learned his lesson not to bite those now. Anyway, I'm going to bring the 4020 back to the yard. I'm not sure what Dad's needing it for. I had to push, we shoveled the barn out and I pushed the poop away from in front so he could shut the doors. Now, he's working on cleaning the bunch of junk out of inside the shop, so not sure what he needs this for, but we'll bring it back anyway. She's cold. Cold out yet. It was sunny, but clouding over again. Oh well. So we're on our way to get the 2188, and here's one guy's crop of canola that stayed out in that wind. The whole thing's all blowing everywhere. Oh man, down in the ditch. Look at that. Holy. Oh, look at all the way across, it's just spread. They were gusts of like, what, 80, 90? Oh man, there's another field of it over there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. But it's all flipped up, and that's Hess's. I bet you he's mad he switched to going to straight combine his wheat instead of finishing his canola that day. I'll show you this one when we go by. It's right beside the road here. And the old dilapidated barn survives through another one, eh? See, for people, that's why you swath on the east and west angle there. You don't just go whichever way your heart desires. Flipped and blown everywhere. Wow. The whole field. Are you glad we got yours done there, Twan? Yeah? Fuck.
Bad. I'm on camera. Yeah. Yeah. He is. The combine now. Yeah, it's all welded up. Pretty well. To get a semi. Have to get a semi and haul it down. Yeah.
If Tyson can cheat and video Sean on the CB, I'll video you on the phone, so.
Oh, he's saying, oh, Sean or some damn thing.
Yeah, well, Tyson videoed Sean on the CB, so.
Yeah. Oh, I see.
We're conspiring against you, Twan. Got all
Right.
straight pipe acres to phone Antoine here to prove that Antoine does talk.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh boy. Water in the exhaust pipe. Purrs like a kitten. Well, I'm bringing the 2188 back to Grandpa's so we can get it ready for the flex header and get the flex header ready so we can get ready to do some beans here hopefully in a few days if the weather smartens up. We're supposed to be back into 12s and 14s here by the weekend again, so that would be just dandyful. But not much a guy can do other than wait, I guess. So we're gonna get this moved home, and we got the 4440 ready to go. I just want to pressure wash it off on the outside because it's got quite a bit of mud on it. And the baler's ready to go. I had to weld that tensioning arm for how hard it packs the bales. It was cracked apart, so that's we had a mag drill we borrowed from our buddy to drill some holes so we could weld in on the back side of it as well. And what else? I don't know, it's kind of slow right now, waiting for things to melt and dry up again. See some ruts I made there at the Massey when we were combining the canola here the other day. I went right through the water there. But yeah, I don't know, that's really about all there is to tell you, I guess, for today. I'm gonna get this combine to Grandpa's, and hopefully tomorrow we can get the flex headers out and on the Massey and on the 21 here, and be ready to do some beans in the next few days as soon as that white stuff goes away and the ground firms up a little bit. So I guess that's where I'll leave you for now. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more so you don't miss out on the Massey and the 21 here combining soybeans. There's a quarter of them right there, not mine, someone else's. We only have 130 acres, so it won't be much more than a couple days anyways. So I guess thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Go take a look at Straight Pipe Acres channel, since he helped out giving Antoine a phone call there so we could video him talking to catch up to old Right Sean that way on with the Northern Farmer. But anyway, I guess thanks a lot for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.